God bless you guys. I did my first video about the astrology and Vastu Vidya, architectural astrology. I said that you have to abandon some houses near church or covil or temple area due to the invisible reasons. Then I told you imagine those houses or those lands nearby church area or the temple area, then you can uh, prove astrology is a true theory. And here today I am going to explain you how to place your house in your land, selected land. You can divide your land into four areas we call devil or ghost area, god area, brahma area, and the human area. Those are the four areas. Then it is more better to place your house, situate your house in your human area. That is the second area of your land. Yes. Then you can ignore the the we called cross lines, dot of the cross lines. That is more important to avoid keeping some more important things cross of the horizontal lines. That is what we call ginikatur. In that is more important to in house. Let us consider small areas just like 10 furches or 15 furches. Then you have to avoid only ghost area. Sometimes you may have to situate a small piece of the ghost area to situate your house too, but you should try to avoid ghost area as much as possible. Next we let us consider how to select area, that means square area of your foundations. you know then sometimes you can use a small piece of areas in your foundation. Then you should take the total area. I saw it. I am showing this in your dotted line too. Then you have to consider whole area to consider about your square area. Most of the astrologers make mistakes about the square area. You have to consider outer square areas too in your whole square area. When we select in a square area, you should select a small pieces square area too. I have mentioned in dotted line and I have drawn in dotted line how to take the square area. That means you have to take whole square area when we consider about the good square area. Next we will consider about how to avoid reta. That's very important in architectural astrology. You have to avoid reta, that is depend on moon's path and moon's way. Then you have to divide your house into 15 areas. Then what we call Chandra, Bhadra, Jaya, Rita, Purna. Here some of astrologers says avoid Rita and Purna, but you have to avoid only Rita. That's the that will um, that will affect your house. That will affect your fruitfulness of your house. Then you have to avoid main doors and walls, main walls in Rita dividend. Then that is important to avoid some parts of the your roof too. Consider about the area of your foundation uses consider of Vaijayantha and Vishwakarma Ishi saints. They told you should take 32 inches odd numbers pieces in length and the width. And I will explain another things in my next video. Thank you for watching me. Please click the subscribe button and thank you for watching me.